Right, so we're about 15 minutes further on now. We're in San Kamphaeng and we're going in this place. Never been here, Onsarin City Park. And this is where we're going to have a look at now. I said, why the hell not? Let's do it. Looks a lovely place again. Right, you gotta go this way. Yeah, giant lake, so it's like Serene Lake in the city, sort of like that. Lovely. Right then, so we made it to this other place, and I'm guessing the lady's gonna take us around on the buggy again. I don't know. This is a bit of alright, innit? In the evenings, coming out here with your missus. Got the restaurant in there. Ah, nice breeze. So I do hate this road. I hate this side of the city for the roads. It's the worst, especially when you're on a scooter, man. Even coming in now, anywhere around Central Festival, I don't like them roads, man. I never have done. And yeah, there's Andy and Patty. Let's go and have a look at a house here. What's it called again? Onsarin. Onsarin. So Andy's just seeing what house we can look at. So I'll just have a look at the sales office a minute. So Patty was just saying this place is nearly sold out. There's only a few left. First, we're gonna watch a briefing here.
Yes. So here is our project.
City Park.
City Park.
It's
Yes.
San Kamphaeng, this, right?
Yes. Actually, in Doi Sakai.
Doi Sakai.
Yeah.
Doi Sakai.
Another district.
Doi Saket.
Yeah, Doi Sakai.
Yeah, Doi Saket.
But we named it San Kamphaeng.
Right.
Yeah, City Park San Kamphaeng, and we are at the east part of.
Yeah, so you're not
city.
too far from Central Festival and places like that.
Yeah, 12 to 15 minutes to Central Festival.
Yeah, 12 to 15 minutes.
Yes. And so within 5 minutes, there's so many fresh market,
Yeah.
and also food street and golf practice course.
Okay, golf course.
Yes.
I don't know that one. Sport complex.
And a good news, a very good news is here is a new road.
Ah, it's a new road.
Yeah, the new road is very close to our gate, and from our gate to Payap University.
Is that private or anybody can use it?
Anybody, because this is built by the government.
Right.
Yeah, so it's already under some construction now.
Where is that road? This way?
About 500 meters away from our
Okay,
the entrance.
maybe I will take it on the way
Yes.
back to Central.
So this is the whole map.
This is this place.
Yeah, this place. We are here now.
Okay, so you have.
We have, you can say.
This is all the houses.
Yeah.
So what is these areas here?
The fourth one, the fifth one.
Oh, not built yet.
Yes.
The future projects.
Yes.
Right, so that's the future ones.
Yeah, but like this one is the first one already sold out. This one is second one already sold out. This is third one, almost
Really?
sold out.
Wow.
Yeah, and this is the fourth one. Actually, you can say different name, right?
I see.
Because
Yep.
we have different like series. I can
Okay.
say that. So this is very basic house. This is kind of medium level.
Right.
And habitat is our high level.
Okay, and that one's still to be
Yeah.
built, not done yet.
Yeah. This is the habitat means the most luxury.
Right, guys, so we're on the buggy again. We're going to see a house here. And I forgot this young lady's name.
My name is Elena.
Alina told us all about the area, so that will be on the video. She told us all the information, and now we're going to see one of the houses. And as you can see, you've got everything here: cafe, 7-Eleven, restaurant, laundromat. Okay, thank you. This is the house we're going to look at. This is more your traditional style, isn't it? More your normal. Maybe a bit too normal. But we shall have a look. Okay, so this is like the smallest house you do.
Not the smallest, but also one of the smallest.
Right, so this is 3-bedroom.
Yeah, 3-bedroom. Total area is 125 square meters.
125 square meters.
Yes.
So it's
3-bathroom.
3-bedroom, 3-bathroom. So it's like your traditional house again, guys. Traditional family house.
Yes.
You've got your dining and living area in the same area, and then your kitchen is out here. But we'll look, we've got a bedroom down the front, like your granny bedroom, granny room, or your maid room, or kiddie room. Single bed, small, right? But all very nice. In the bathroom, it shares it with everybody else. So this is more your normal type of house. But it's nice, compact. And the kitchen. This is your kitchen. Don't know the price on this one yet. Gonna ask in a minute. I'm all tired out of houses now, really. But it's worth looking, and it's always worth having a look in it. There you go, small kitchen. Tiny garden again. I can go up, yeah? Okay, thank you. Yeah, I'm shattered. Been looking at houses all morning. Going to Central Festival after this. Chilling out. Yeah, so this is like for people that live in England, again, just your normal home on an estate, right? Small, not too big. Okay, it has got a bit modern over the years in it. They've added a few things, but it's basically that same style, right? I mean, you don't get 3 bedrooms. When I grew up, there was 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, not 1 bedroom. We all shared 1 bathroom. Yeah, there's your, I think this is the master. We'll ask the price in a minute. Right, so it's 2 upstairs, 1 downstairs. So it is a compact little place, isn't it? This is, it's not too big at all. I think the bathroom's bigger than the bedroom. Let's have a look. Divider! Nah. Yeah, there's your divider. That's nice. No one lived in here yet, see? No one been in here, mate. Show home. Is that the right time? Never, is it? 1:45, is it? No, 12:15. How much is this house?
This house we now sold out.
Oh, sold out.
At the end of this year, we will open New Belief.
Right, new.
The New Belief. The new project.
Same like this.
Yeah. Inside City Park.
So how much would it be?
The price, I guess, start from 5.4.
5.4 million.
Yes.
That's for a showroom one. We've already.
Yeah, for showroom. Okay. Applies and the furnitures are not included.
Right, so we'll be
everything else like the floor,
yeah.
wall, the lab and the bathroom.
5.4 for empty house.
Yes.
Right.
Bathroom
okay.
Include.
Bathroom.
Yeah. So bathroom, everything.
Yeah, you'd have everything in the bathroom. Yeah.
Only furnitures and appliances not included.
Yeah. Sure. Okay.
Yes.
There's your garden, guys. If you had a kid or something, could go out there playing around. Thank you. Yeah. See, close to people, but that's what it's like when you live on an estate. Ah, they built an extension.
Yeah.
Right, I see. So before it would have been back a bit more. Right. So they build extensions. Thank you so much, Andy. Oh, we're going to see another one, are we?
Yeah, that's
okay.
most popular here.
We're going to go and see the most popular one.
The last one.
So just show you a shot of that house. Now we're gonna go and see the most popular. Let's do this. This is a townhouse. So, what Elena was just telling me, a lot of the locals buy these, yeah, and they make downstairs into a business, like all the shops we just seen, or you can have it for just what it's meant to be, a townhouse, which looks lovely. Open plan, like it. Hey, more my sort of style, I think. Open plan lit. Townhouse. So yeah, a lot of people have like made this bit into a restaurant or a cafe. I think I like this. Yeah, this is better, isn't it? This is better, I think. All open plan, bigger kitchen at the end. Yeah, townhouse. I like this one. Don't need all them walls and walkways, do ya? Just have it all open plan like this. I suppose it is nice to get away from other people, innit? Not just all open plan. Got your small bathroom. We'll have a look upstairs a minute. Oh, shattered. I wasn't going to come and look at this one. But, yeah, why not? Now we're in town. Let's do it while we can. See, this is the next project. So if you moved into this one, this is what you're going to have for the next couple years. They're going to build a lot more there. I mean, for me, I think it's all getting a bit too modern, isn't it? These Legoland areas and stuff. I'd rather just like an house out the way of everything. It's all a little bit too close, isn't it? These places, you're all doing the same things, isn't you? The car all leaves the driveway the same time in the morning, going to work, living that pigeon-holed sort of life. Hey, I like this room though. I prefer this townhouse. It's all open. Yeah, I prefer these, man. It's more my sort of style. Take the walls down, you don't need it all. And there's the same ones across the road. Not sure how much these are, so it'll be interesting to find out, right, in a minute. Two walkways, oh yeah, you can get into it both ways. Yeah, I do like that room though. That's a better room, I think. Yeah, simple again, but townhouse. I like this one.
Yeah.
This more what I like, open.
Because it's open.
Yeah, open.
So homey.
Yeah, homey, lots of space.
Yes.
How much are the townhouses?
Start from 2.9.
Really? 2.9 million?
Yeah, so if your garden is bigger, so the price would be a little bit higher.
Right, so there's some with bigger garden.
Yeah.
I will put the prices on the screen in British pounds and dollars. I quite like the furniture too.
It's cozy.
Yeah, perfect. You have good designers. Yeah, yeah. It's a big street as well. Goes on for miles, mate. Right, let's get back to Lucille. Cool. That bird would drive you crazy in the summer months. Right, so that is it. We have finished this place. We had a little look around this place. The first place we shown a bit more, but yeah, 2 options and you can buy here. I know the lease thing, it don't really work out where you do actually own it, I don't think. 90 years, okay, you're probably going to be brown bread, but it would be nice to hand it over maybe, or I don't know, but it is possible to do it, and it was great for Andy to take out the time for us to have a look around. I am absolutely beat. We're probably gonna split these up maybe and do one vlog each for each place. I'm gonna stop waffling. I'm going for a coffee actually, like the old days, not a green tea. I'm going for a latte and some grub. Hope you're all safe and sound as always, and I will see you in the next one. So take it easy, man. Take it easy.